What's up, guys, and welcome back to Dancing with Tech. I can believe it's 2026. Wow, time is definitely flying. Happy New Year, everyone. And our first video of the year will be a foldable camera showdown. Now, listen, for 7 years, foldable phones have been lacking the camera department. Let's just keep it real. Once upon a time, it was all about the cool designs, the screens, and the futuristic vibes. Now all that has been played out and people want their money's worth. The cameras, of course. The cameras have definitely been lacking over the years and people like us want flagship specs. But you know how we do over here. We're not just reading from a spec sheet. But we're going to be taking some real life photos to tell the truth. And we're going to be using real life situations. So no editing, all that fancy stuff. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hit that hype button. So that way you guys can get more notifications and we can spread the word to everyone else. Now let's get right into the video. In this photo comparison, we will take photos in these categories: regular picture mode, night pictures, portraits, ultra wide shots, zoom test, panorama, and of course selfies, in no particular order. In this photo, two of my daughters are posing at the outlet. Now both pictures look amazing and clear. The pixel photo seems just a bit better overall. It has clearer detail, slightly brighter, more natural lighting, sharper focus on the subjects, and true to life colors. Now the Z Fold photos are slightly warmer and softer with deeper shadows, while the second picture appears a lot brighter and handles the outdoor lighting so much better. Now what picture catches your eye first? Let me know in the comments below. In this low light image, my daughter and I are celebrating Day. The image on the left has warmer lighting, richer colors, and stronger contrast, which makes us both stand out more and gives it a cheerful, glowing feel. Now, the pixel picture looks more natural and dimmer with softer colors and lighting that feels closer to real life. The pixel is clearer and better, but ultimately we want to feel emotions through our photos, which is the reason why the Z Fold 7 has an edge over this one. However, if you notice, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold has better detail and the lighting looks much better overall. I say this is probably gonna be a draw. In this photo, you have Link from Legend of Zelda, The Wind Waker. That was an amazing game, by the way. The Z Fold 7 looks the best because it has richer colors and slightly stronger contrast, which makes the figure and the water pop more. The second photo is a bit flatter and cooler in tone with softer lighting that's more natural but less vibrant. To end this round, if you're looking for clarity and natural colors, then the Z Fold 10 Pro Fold may be your ideal winner. However, if you are looking for vibrant colors with a dramatic look, then the Z Fold 7 will be your winner. And for others who like both, like me, I would say this round in a tie. We are going to be checking out all the night footage. One thing I would say is that many phones struggle to take really good night shots, but let's see how these foldable phones fare up against each other in this category. Now if you look at this photo, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold looks better overall because it balanced the bright planter light without blowing it out. So you can still see the details in the leaves, floor, and background. In comparison, the Z Fold 7 photo is overexposed around the planter and introduces more noise and haze in the shadows and loses a lot of the finer detail. The Pixel 10 Fold looks the best because the colors are richer, the lights glow more evenly, and the overall image looks cleaner and more vibrant. The Z Fold 7 photo is brighter but harsher, which washes out a little bit of the color and glow and at times makes the image look muddy. The obvious winner is the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. Portrait mode in photography is designed to keep the subject sharply in focus while gently blurring the background, helping the person or subject stand out more clearly. It creates a professional depth and field effect, which brings us to the following few pictures. The Pixel Fold looks better in portrait mode, given that the background is more evenly and softly blurred. The lighting looks more natural, so her face and outfit stays sharp. On the other hand, if you trust your eyes, the Z Fold 7 blurs the background a bit more aggressively, making the subject pop out more dramatically. On the other hand, this image, the Pixel Fold gently blurs the Christmas tree decorations, whereas the Z Fold 7 makes the decorations and the tree lose details and becomes more abstract. To the human eye, the Z Fold 7 looks better, but as a quick click and shot, the Z Fold 7 wins this round because it's simple. You click, you take the picture, and you keep on moving. So portrait mode, it does all the processing work, and that's what people want to see because it's more dramatic. Now selfie mode, if you look at two images, I would probably say the Z Fold 7 looks the best because it's brighter, softer, and it has a smoother overall look that feels more flattering and polished. Now, in nighttime selfie, the pictures gets very interesting. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold Night Selfie looks better overall because it keeps the lighting more natural, with clearer details and better balance between shadows and highlights. The Z Fold 7 Selfie is brighter, but it adds a strong yellow tint and looks softer and more processed. So while both are good, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold delivers the cleaner and more realistic looking night photo. Between these two photos, the Z Fold looks better overall. It has stronger contrast, richer colors, and sharper edge detail throughout the frame, making the scene feel more vibrant and dimensional. The Z Fold 7 looks better. It has a cleaner exposure, sharper details across the storefronts and pavement, and less aggressively sky noise. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold image looks flatter with slightly muted colors and less micro detail. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold is better and cleaner overall in this comparison. It shows sharper letter edges, better contrast, and cleaner separation between the sign and the branches, making the text more legible. The Z Fold 7 image looks softer and more processed with reduced clarity and fine detail. The first image you'll see is a Pixel 10 Pro Fold. It looks way better overall. It has more consistent exposure across the frame, clearer stitching between the segments, and more natural colors in the sky and houses. The Z Fold 7 panorama shows more visible distortion and uneven blending, especially towards the edges. This concludes the photo comparison test. I would say that the Z Fold 7 pictures have strengths and weakness, just like the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. The Z Fold strengths are regular photo mode, selfies, portrait mode, and ultra wide shots, whereas the Pixel 10 Pro Fold, their strengths are also regular photo mode, night mode, zoom, and panorama. Overall, these foldable phones do a decent job of taking pictures, but of course, they're nowhere in the flagship camera's level. So let's be clear. But if I had to pick a winner, I would say both phones are the winner because, like I said, they got their differences and their strengths. So at this point, if you pick, it just be based off your pure preference. If you like Galaxy phones or you like Pixel phones. Well, that's it for me, guys. And don't forget, let me know in the comments below, which pictures do you prefer the most? And if you're new to the channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and make sure to hit that like button. If you don't do anything else, hit that like button. Well, until next time, guys, I'll see you guys later.